this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT. So in today's video, we will be talking about how to make a to-do list. If you guys would have checked out the last video, we talked about how to prepare for CLAT from scratch in the next 8 to 9 months. Now in that video, I told you that please make sure that you make a to-do list so that you at least know that how much of your preparation is done, what is left, and what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. But ma'am, आपने तो ये बताया ही नहीं कि to-do list कैसे बनानी है. So in today's video, we'll be talking about that. Without further ado, let's start the video. So first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of a to-do list. A to-do list does not mean that we just scribble down what all we can think of and writing it down and trying to complete it at the end of the day. If we do that, it is going to be unorganized and we will not understand where our preparation is going. So step number 1 of a good to-do list is going to be making sure what all subjects you have to cover in a particular day. So for example, I am a CLAT aspirant and I have Monday as the day that I'm starting. So on Monday, I will determine 2 subjects that I will be studying plus current affairs. Now current affairs is something that we will have to do daily. So in your to-do list, 3 subjects are going to be done in a day. Today, for example, is Monday. So current affairs plus legal reasoning plus logical reasoning could be the 3 subjects you would be covering. On Tuesday, current affairs plus English plus quantitative aptitude could be the 3 subjects you could be covering. On Wednesday, again current affairs, legal reasoning and logical reasoning could be the 3 subjects you could be covering. So every day pick 2 subjects and then apart from current affairs, and the next day pick the rest of the 2 subjects. Current affairs will be done daily. Now, how do you make the to-do list? There are certain things that you do know you will have to do daily. For example, reading the newspaper, revising your current affairs subjects, and apart from that, every week you will be giving 1 or 2 mocks. First of all, make sure that you have specified the days that you will be picking your mocks for. For example, Wednesday and Sunday will be the 2 days in which your to-do list will contain 1 mock to be solved. So guys, before I explain to you that what you could write down in your to-do list, I also understand that you will have your classes for your CLAT preparation for concepts and you would have to attend them as well. If any of you wish to enroll in the courses that are given on 12 Minutes to CLAT, then you can check out the website given in the description box, 12minutestoclat.com, and through that, if you wish to enroll in any of the courses, you can. We have just launched a new course, Vijayi and Vijayi Plus, and we'll be launching a new course very soon as well. So any of you wish to prepare with us, you can use code KRITI and enroll in those courses and complete your concept classes with us. Apart from that, coming back to your to-do list, so for example, you have to complete CA and English and legal reasoning for today. So what should your to-do list look like? So first of all, we will write down CA and what all should we cover each day. Now, first of all, understand that you should not compare yourself with other students. You call up a friend and he tells you, yeah, today I completed compendium for the last 5 months and I've also done newspaper reading. I've also solved 100 mocks. Oh my God. Alright, your comparison should be with you, with your preparation from yesterday. Are you doing better than that? Then you will definitely clear the exam. It shouldn't matter what else other people are doing. Now, you must make a to-do list which is reasonable. Do not write down 100 things to complete. Okay? So, for example, today we are taking CA, English and legal reasoning. Now in CA, I will give myself 3 tasks a day. Read the newspaper within 45 minutes. Solve 5 sectional tests of 10 questions each, probably. Third, revise compendium of month of February. Now these 3 things I should be done with by the end of the day. I can give myself a rough idea, knowing how much I can complete. For example, this I should complete within a span of 2 hours. Could be your time span to complete it. Now you have to make sure you are trying to complete these three things within the span of 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes, so that you complete it within the 2 hour limit that you have given to yourself. Now, coming to the legal reasoning section to-do list. So for example, let's assume that the last mock or the last sectional test that you gave of legal reasoning 2 days before, you understood that you answered a lot of questions wrong in the contract law section. So in today's to-do list, you can write down that you will revise either contract law concepts or you will study contract law concepts that could include, for example, damages, consideration, revocation, acceptance, any topics which you did not answer correctly in the mocks. What this will help you with, that you will understand what mistakes you were making and you will not repeat those mistakes of those particular topics. Okay? So for legal, so CA we had done the 3 topics. Now we'll write down legal reasoning to-do list. So legal reasoning mein I will write down contract law concepts, consideration, acceptance, revocation, damages, and any other concept I wish to revise. Then I will write down one sectional test of legal reasoning section so that I know what I'm answering right, what I'm answering wrong. And then third, I can write down revision of legal maxims. So these will be the 3 things that I will do today. Now coming to the third, English. Now with respect to English, if you wish to revise any concept, you can write that down, or you can just write down 3 passage-based question practice for today. So now, if I see my to-do list, I have categorized it with respect to CA, 3 things to do in CA, with respect to legal, one particular topic of contract law, 3-4 topics of contract law, as well as 1 or 2 tests that I will attend, and for English, I will practice 3 sectional tests, 3 passage-based tests. So that way I will be completed with today's task of to-do list. And at the end of the day, I will take all of them. So I will also get a feeling that I have completed it. Now for tomorrow, again CA, yesterday you revised February. So your first to-do list for CA could be newspaper reading and question practice from the month of February questions. Okay? Third could be, for example, revising notes of January this time. So that way you can go ahead. Secondly, now the 2 subjects that were left with would be quantitative aptitude and critical reasoning. Quantitative aptitude, you could, for example, practice ratio, percentage, related questions, and apart from that, some sectional test if you wish to solve. And with respect to critical reasoning, because critical reasoning is similar to English, you can again see the topics that you have done wrong in the past sectional test or mock test that you have given to critical reasoning. For example, let's assume you answered a lot of inference questions wrong. So you, in critical reasoning, you can write down in the to-do list that you will answer inference questions. You will revise concept of inference question. You will watch that particular class in which inference was taught. So this way, critical, and then third in critical reasoning could be practicing 2 more passage-based questions today. So these could be the to-do list that you make. Now, for example, if Wednesday comes, so one of the to-do list will contain giving a mock test. If Sunday comes, one of the to-do list will contain giving mock test. So that way you can define your to-do list for every day. Keep a copy with yourself, write down the date on that page and the to-do list and the things you have done, the things that were left. It is okay. Someday you might not be able to complete it, and that is fine. Next day's date, then it's to-do list. So this, when you see it at the end of, for example, a week, 2 weeks, a month, you will get a feeling of joy that, okay, this much I have completed. My preparation is going well. So I hope this class was helpful to you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if this class helped you, if you did make the to-do list as I told you, and if it has improved your mock score. I will see you in the classes. If any of you wish to enroll in the classes, we have launched a new batch called Vijayi. You can enroll in the classes. Come and attend the classes. It will definitely make a difference. Also guys, for those of you who do not know, any of you who score a rank below the rank of AIR 300 will be refunded back their fees. So if any of you wish to enroll in the CLAT courses, we are not teaching you just because we want to teach. We are doing it so that you do clear the exam. Use code Kriti B if you want to enroll in the classes for discount. And thank you so much guys. I will see you in the next session. Hope this was helpful. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.